Dear friends, both boys and girls, please do not rush in search of your girlfriend or boyfriend. Stay single for some times until you reach 30. Then you will see lots of people around you, or you may be alone. That doesn't matter. You'll have lots of fun. Enjoy your day and have a good time. Have a good ride. Just enjoy, friends. Enjoy my ride alone. I am riding alone since so far I don't get married yet. I don't get children yet. I'm still single. I'm from Meghalaya. I'm Kazi. Belonging to Kazakhstan. I just enjoy my ride alone with the good condition of this road. So our road is very good.